Our brains are completely fudged up. As life goes on, it becomes harder and harder to do the right things. Our brains refuse to help us, sabotaging us every step along the way, forcing us to be like all of them. Our brains are fudged up. Let's be honest, mine is too a little bit. Because not only is it annoying to have fudge stuck in our brain, but it's also unhealthy. Like, we probably wouldn't want to eat a bunch of fudge, right? But all of them want to. And because all of them want to eat a bunch of fudge, get fudged up, they live worse lives and they're covered in fudge. We consume so much stuff, we go on social media, we do this, and the stuff that we don't even do is affecting other people, which is, in a result, is affecting us. Nobody wants to quit bad habits. Nobody wants to stop going on social media. Every time I'm in school, like, nobody really cares. Everyone's brain is so fudged up and so deep into all the fudge that they can't get out of it. And the only thing they really live for is just to eat more fudge. I completely understand if it feels like there's like no way getting out of all this fudge. There's nothing to do about it. But instead of just eating it, what if you just swam up it? That sounded kind of weird, but what if instead of just trying to... It's like this weird thing. I remember like when I saw in movies and stuff when like people were like drowning or like stuck in some cave and the water was rising up and their heads were above the water. They're like have like zero oxygen. I was just like, why don't they just drink the water? Why don't they just like drink all the water and then wow, the water is lower and then like boom, they're not drowning. Their life is saved. Wait, that's actually a good idea, kind of. That might be a good idea, but for the sake of this analogy thing, like, you can't just suck up some of the fudge because you're gonna drown. Like, all the fudge is just gonna get in your lungs and you can't breathe and whatever science way of the reason why you drown, it's gonna happen. But what if you just, instead of trying to drink all the water, what if you just swam up? What if instead of those people getting stuck in the cave, what if they just swam out? And yeah, it might suck. You might have to like go down first. You might like have to destroy your ego at first, and then you get out the cave and then you're free. Doesn't that sound awesome? Being able to never have to deal with fudge ever again in your life. Remove all the fudge that is in your brain, so goopy and slimy. So if you actually want to remove all the fudge stuck in your fudging brain, go on a detox of fudge. Do not consume any of that fudge that you see all the times you're scrolling and it's just fudge, 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 fudge. Every single time you see fudge, just avoid it. Detox yourself and don't let yourself see the fudge. See all the different types of fudge that is in the world. Because you can't like eat fudge, you can't consume fudge if you don't look at fudge. Don't believe that it's impossible to not consume fudge. Because if you automatically put yourself at a position where like, oh no, I have to drink the fudge, there's nothing else I can do about it. It tastes good anyway. Like, don't listen to your brain when it tells you like, oh no, like I don't need to stop listening to fudge. Like I can still listen to fudge. Like, it's fine. Like the cave thing, you have to go down first. You have to like feel like you're kind of losing in life to finally boom, get that high success, to finally stop fudging up your brain. Sometimes it's really that simple. And I know you probably heard this, like, oh, like, dopamine detox, like, don't go, like, oh, blah, blah, blah. But it actually helps. Why haven't you done it yet? Why haven't you removed all the fudge, all the years of fudge that's been building up and molding in your brain? Why haven't you just taken a day to just clean all of that out, empty it out, dump it all out? Why haven't you done that? I know you're better than all of them, and I know you have the potential to actually do that. I know you don't have to eat all the fudge and consume all that fudge, all that fudged up stuff. So why haven't you done it? I want you to today make sure that you don't consume as much fudge. And if you really want to do fudged up stuff, and you really want to consume fudge, just wear a brown shirt. Just wear like a black brown shirt. Boom, it's fudge. Like, the last thing I want to leave you on to stop fudging up your brain is to stop overthinking. Stop overthinking about especially little things that happen in your life. Like figuring out what shirt to wear, how should I do this? Should I sit in this chair or this chair? Which chair? I film in like little sandals, or should I like wear shoes? It's like December, but it's like kind of nice out. Like, that's probably why your brain is so fudged up. Stop caring about what other people think. Yeah, okay, someone might laugh at you, someone might think you're weird, someone might drop a little hate comment, and like, nobody cares. I don't care. They care, but like, it's their problem, not ours. So if you genuinely do this, like, unfudge your brain today. Literally, don't, like, make this the last video you watch, bro. Seriously. If you really want to unfudge your brain today. Remove all that fudge. Just take a big spoon and just, you know, like that, like, you can have like 1 scoop of ice cream thing, and it's like that giant spoon. Literally do that. Have 1 scoop of unfudge, 1 scoop of fudge out of your brain, and just put it somewhere, alright? Put it on the floor, leave it behind. And when you take that first scoop out, you feel a lot better about yourself, and as a result, you would not want to fudge your brain up even more. You feel so great that when you start unfudging your brain, all the other times you want to unfudge your brain, it's so easy. The hardest scoop is the first scoop. So, like, seriously, it's not some like crazy full guide to unfudging your brain, but this is really all you need. Don't go on the internet as much. Stop consuming so much stuff, and stop overthinking about little things that really don't matter. Think about the few important things that happen in your life. Stop fudging worrying about all the small things of like, oh, how can I word this properly? How can I do... Unfudge your brain right now. Make this the last video you watch. Like, actually, don't just go in this video like, that was a funny little video. Next video, next video, next video. Actually, make this the last video you watch today, alright? Like, do some stuff outside. Unfudge your brain. Detox all the fudge that you've been consuming. This is probably like a world record, the amount of, like, most fudges in a video. Timothy #1. But yeah, anyways, if you found this video helpful or interesting, consider subscribing. Don't watch this video. If I put a video up here, don't watch it, but do subscribe to my channel, because I'll be posting more videos like these to help you every single day, to help you remove all the fudge out of your brain and fix your fudging life. So, yeah, hope you found this video helpful, interesting. I'll see you later. Yeah, unfudge your brain and your life will be fudging awesome, man. Seriously. Peace.